before first use. I have to clean everything. Secured. Oh, I stop? Okay. I accidentally manually dosed it instead of doing the automatic one. I'm still trying to figure it out, but let's pull some shots. Okay, let's try it. A little watery. I think I would have to automatically fill it next time. It's delicious, but not strong enough.
Rebel back all together and then
I was trying to undo your... Welcome to my coffee corner. What can I get you?
Can I get an iced vanilla honey oat milk latte, please?
Yes, of course.
Of course. Midnight screening. Y'all spoon?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Every day I wake up and I want a corn dog. Here you go.
Thank you. Time for a review. It's so good. Delicious and light and frothy like me.
Hi, what can I get for you?
I'd love a coffee drink, but I don't really have anything in mind. Could you surprise me?
Of course. And for you?
Could I just do an iced dirty chai with oat milk and vanilla, please?
Is there actually dark?
Oh my god.
I'm super normal.
That looks really beautiful.
Gotta show the fan.
But I can understand why.
Here you go. This is an iced caramel macchiato with oat milk.
Thank you. It looks so beautiful. Delicious. My drink is really delicious. I really did mean it. And I haven't had a caramel macchiato yet. So I haven't had a caramel macchiato in quite some time, and it's really hitting the spot.
I literally just took a picture of that.
It's so good. You're making her, yeah, like. And what was killing me is she would.
Don't worry, first one.
Coffee or not, but you're right because I was drinking that.
You actually have to go out and get your coffee.
Here you go. Thank you, Barista Maren. This looks really awesome. I love it. It's really delicious, and if I were to go to a coffee shop, I would pay money for this.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh, yes.
Can I get an iced vanilla latte with oat milk?
Oh, sure. Let me get started on that.
Thanks.
Every time I go on, I just end up looking at all the other.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, I'm here to do my review. That is just really good. As someone who works in a coffee shop, this is a really good. Can confirm.
It sounds like you're lying to me.
No! This is the best latte I've ever had!